Woman succumbed to injuries following St. Ann car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman died from injuries she sustained in a motor vehicle crash on the Ocharias bypass in St. Ann on Friday. The deceased has been identified as Rayleen Fagan of her Ocharias address. Police report that the collision involved a white international truck and a white Probox motor car. Fagan was a passenger in the Toyota Probox. Lawman said that the incident occurred around 11:50 p.m. and stated that both vehicles were traveling in the opposite direction along the Ocharias bypass when the accident occurred. The police were called to the scene and the wounded people rushed to hospital where Fagan succumbed to her injuries. The Ocharias police are conducting preliminary investigations.
You want to chop and down the car? You say, huh?
Right in front of JN, Ocharias.
Don't want that one.
Oh,
God. Don't want that.
Yo. What can I chop? Chop. I go finally can I? No drive, brother. Oh, no drive. If you rock it, you hurt her more, brother. If you rock it, you hurt her more. I left side this up. I said that stop light, brother. If people not president, they not work the stop light. Just drive come cross road, same way like this. Oh, God. I'm a brethren.
Population control them at
Yeah. Yeah. What do you mean? Yeah, if you rock it so you hurt her more. Yeah, you understand? Once you rock it, you hurt her more. Oh, God, brother. Can't believe I'm a virgin. If you don't rock it, so no hurt her. Yo, she dead already. Oh God. She a bleed out, brother. She a bleed out to her nose, brother. She a bleed out to her nose. She a bleed out to her nose, brother. She a bleed out to her nose, brother. Oh, hell. Clear, man.
Since the start of the year, the Road Safety Unit has recorded 410 road fatalities in 371 crashes. Of the number, St. Ann has recorded 39 fatalities in 37 crashes, in comparison to 44 fatalities in 34 crashes in the corresponding period last year. We at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity to urge motorists to exercise caution as they travel on the road during this busy Christmas period. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.